prepare the bolinhas, take 500 grams of freshly grated coconuts, a measure of 2 cups. Add 3/4 cup of water and grind it to a smooth paste. So this is how it's going to be like once it's grinded. In a vessel, add 500 grams of sugar. Add 250 ml of water. Let the sugar get melted completely. Keep stirring continuously on a medium flame until the sugar gets dissolved. Once it comes to a boiling point, add 500 grams of semolina little by little. And keep stirring so that there are no lumps formed. Keep stirring for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. And stir well. Add half teaspoon of salt. Now add the grinded coconut. Mix all well together. I've stirred this for 4 to 5 minutes and now I'm going to set it aside in a separate bowl to cool down. Leave this mixture aside for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight in the fridge. So it's been almost 6 hours. I kept this mixture in the fridge. And now I'll add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add 6 egg yolks. (125 grams of plain flour and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Now let's mix all this well together. Now before shaping bolinhas, if you feel the mixture is a little sticky and difficult to handle, refrigerate the mixture for about 30 minutes to an hour so it's easy to shape them. Now dust your hands with the flour. Take the mixture and shape it into small cookies. Place it. Take a fork, dust it with the flour and give a nice crisscross shape. Or you can shape it with the knife. So I'm done with the shapes now. Let's go and bake it. For baking, preheat your oven at 200 degrees centigrade and set it on 180 degrees centigrade and bake the bolinhas for 30 to 35 minutes. That was for electric oven, but if you have gas oven, then preheat it and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Keep and watch so the bolinhas are proper cooked, as every oven is different. So our bolinhas are ready now. Friends, if you have liked our recipe, please do show us your love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel, and leave your feedbacks in the comment section. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all.